Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review for Asteria hair. This is what they sent over in a package. They also sent over some wig tape and some extra little rubber bands, which I thought was very nice. So this is the wig that we're going to be trying on today. This is a pre-styled wig, y'all. You see it already has like the zigzag part, the braids on the side. It already has a cute little funky style. This is a bob wig. It comes pre-cut, pre-styled. It got the baby hairs on it and everything, so it's just ready to put on. It has two clips on the side and then has a clip in the back, and then it also has an adjustable strap. And this is an M cap wig, so it fits my head more comfortably. So really all I need to do is tint my lace a little bit and then just throw it on. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to tint my lace using the even lace tinting spray, and I use the darkest deep color. Now I'm just going to try on the wig. And I did put the elastic band pretty tight because I wanted the style to look as flawless as possible. Now I'm just going to customize the little ear part a little bit to my head and just cut a little bit of that lace off. Now I'm going to lay down the wig. I'm just using my, this is like a got to be spray, and I'm just spraying the lace like right over the lace. It does come with the wig tape, but I decided to use the spray because I wanted to make sure it was melted like in the middle and everything as well. So after I spray the lace, I'm just going to use my rat tail comb to make sure everything is nice and pushed in and flat. And then I'm going to go over it with my blow dryer on the cool setting to make sure the area is completely dry and everything is nice and flat. Then I'm going to throw on the melt band, and I'm going to keep that on for at least a good 15-20 minutes. It's best to keep it on as long as possible. But the way my head is set up, I always get headaches. I don't see how people can keep these things on for like an hour. What? Like, oh my god, I'd just be in so much pain. So I'm just gonna try to keep it on for as long as possible. While my hair is setting, I'm just going to redo one of the ponytails. Whenever I was putting it on, I kind of messed it up, like the way I was putting it on, and I was holding it in that area. So I'm just going to redo it. So I just like brushed it up with my fingers really, and then I'm going to put the rubber band back on. This is the rubber band they sent in the package, and surprisingly it worked like the second time when I put it back in. So, you know, y'all know sometimes the rubber bands just automatically break. I mean, it took me a little while to get it right, because I was trying to make sure it was perfect and make sure that it lined up with the other one on the other side. And look, I was scared that it would break, but it didn't break. So I'm just doing that side real quick so that the wig can look more fresh. And I thought it was so cute that they did like the little zigzag part in the braid, which is something I could never do. Like, I am not the best at styling wigs, so like doing little styles on wigs, that is not for me. So if you're like me and like the most you can do is like a middle part, side part, and you want something and you want to switch up a style or something, then this will be a great wig because they already did all of that for you. And of course, once you're done with the style, you can definitely just take down, you know, what they pre-did and then just wear it like with a middle part, side part, just like regular bob. So that's great and versatile. And now I'm just going and flat iron it a little bit. It was already pretty straight, so I'm just going and flat ironing the pieces and styling a little bit while I wait for my lace to melt a little bit more. Okay, now I'm just gonna do the baby hairs. First, I just started by combing them out a little bit, and then I'm going to add a little bit of mousse to it and swoop it with my lace brush. Okay, now I'm just doing my finishing touches on everything, adding a little bit of hairspray to pieces and just fixing up anything that needs to be fixed last minute. And that's it, y'all. That concludes the video. Like I said, this is a 13x4 lace front wig. It's 12 inches. It has the M cap and it's pre-styled. So if you like this wig and you want to switch up your style, get something fresh and new for the summertime, I will leave all the links down below. Thank you so much, Asteria Hair, for sponsoring this video. As always, I love you guys and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.